Hello there everybody, this is Frens Peters from Lotus Holland with yet another Lotus tech tip. This time about the correct tensioning of the transport chain of your reclaim system. The chain on your reclaim system needs the correct tensioning. It shouldn't be too loose and also not too tight. And if it is too loose, then it will hamper the movement of your screens. This is definitely too loose. So this is how you tighten the chain until it has the correct tension. At the end of your infeed, there is a long bolt with 2 nuts on them. So take your wrenches and tighten the bolt till you reach the correct tension. What is the correct tension? Let me show you. If you can just about lift the chain above the track here at the infeed, then that is the correct tension. Nothing on our machine is rocket science, so everything that's almost good is perfect. And now you just close the second nut. And this fixes your chain in this position. Alright, thank you very much for watching this Lotus Holland tech tip, and be sure to look out for our other tech tips that you can find on the internet.